Hey everybody, it's Brian from Team Hutchins. One of the big things we have to deal with in our household is diabetic issues. Danielle is on insulin several times a day, 3 times a day, and she has to do her blood sticks. Now, I'm also on the diabetic issues where I just take just to check my blood sugar as well as take metformin twice a day, once a day. Sorry, once a day. So I got to keep watching on my stuff too. Uh, it's kind of aggravating to do it. Old school way is you take and have the kit with you. You take and get the kit out, uh, put a testing strip in the meter, take and use the uh, alcohol swab your finger, get your sticker out, change the needle in it, stick your finger, say a few cuss words when it goes too deep, and then hopefully get the blood onto the testing strip, and then you take and get the reading. You do that about 3 times a day because it is aggravating to change needles, use alcohol swab, get the needle, everything ready, get a good spot on your finger because your fingers get hard, believe me, and then it makes it hard to get blood out of it. Okay, that's old school way. Now Danielle has got approved because she had to do her endocrinologist said she needed to test more than 3 times a day. The Dexicom G6. And I'll put a picture of it on here for you. And we've had it about 2 weeks now, and it has really changed the way that she does. It's a little device goes on the bottom of her arm right here. She puts it on herself at home after they have a training class, the endocrinologist class at the office. So she sees how to put it on, how to care for it, what to do to change it. So all that is taken care of there at the endocrinologist's office. So then when she gets home, she's good to go. What it does, it monitors her blood sugar levels at all times. So that way, instead of taking 140 units in the morning, 150 at night, she knows on a sliding scale how much to take 3 times a day. And also, she can see what foods really trigger her blood sugar so she can avoid those foods. And also, she can avoid bottoming out. So, let's say last night we went out with my son and his girlfriend to eat, and we had a Greek chicken with she had mixed vegetables, and she had a potato souffle. She said it was a little bit too sugary, so she gave it to me, and she had one small biscuit. Well, later at night, about 3 o'clock this morning, her blood sugar alarm went off because it goes on. It alarms whenever it gets below. What is it, Danielle?
It goes off when it gets to 60 or
When
below.
it gets to 60 or below, or if it gets too high. What's the high range?
uh, 290.
Like she said, 290 blood sugar points. So this morning at 3 o'clock, she woke me up where it dropped below, right at 60. So we had to make sure that she gave her some sugar in her body, get it up above that level. We keep a small bag of individual treats there, chocolate, things like that, just to get her sugar level up if she needs to. But this thing is really awesome so far. It gives you instantaneous feedback as to what your blood sugar level is. If you've eaten too much, hey, got to stay away from that. So that way we know what kind of bread we got to have and how much we got to have more because don't want her bottoming out either. The cost of it, we don't know because it is covered by her Medicare supplement insurance because it was medically prescribed by the doctor's office. So that is really cool. So again, this is Brian from Team Hutchins. We'd love to talk to you about different issues. I say when you're traveling, you need to know what your blood sugar is. So you don't go into either a coma with being too high or dropping too low. Always make sure you carry some treats with you, but make sure you have the willpower to only have those treats when you need to. Uh, Carry like some of these little Hershey's blocks with you, hard candy, anything like that. Let's say orange juice is good to get your blood sugar up also. But just be careful, monitor it, people. We want you here around with us. If you like our videos, hit that like and subscribe button. We'll put more videos out. Sometimes it'll be about health issues. Sometimes it'll be about travel, cooking. I put up top 10 videos, anything. I love YouTube more than I do regular TV. So look forward to seeing y'all soon. Just have a good day. Bye.